What is good, everybody? Back with another vlog. Alrighty, so first of all, if you haven't done so, click that subscribe button. Secondly, go ahead and check out the IG sponsor. Oh shit, what happened? Alright, got that problem taken care of. It was just a intake map sensor thing. No biggie, Gucci gang. Alright, so like I said, go ahead and check out the IG sponsor down below. Today, bam, we got a splitter and a side skirt. Yes, that's right, it's gonna be a full size splitter, not the dual splitter. And the side skirt, yes, it's an actual full size side skirt instead of the ratchet looking side winglet. So about to head over to Steven's house to install the product, and I'll go ahead and check back in when we get to his house. So we're gonna replace Steven's wipers first. Then got some of this for Steven too.
You installed mine on the car.
What's this one? That's the stock one, bro? Yeah, that's the factory one. Hey,
no,
hey.
This is Bosch, dude.
Hey, yeah, dude.
I don't take it off yet.
Hey, do you know how to install Viper's plates?
No, I still don't.
Dang, are you perplexed?
I'm not perplexed. I'm just.
You have to check out.
I want this to be a learning opportunity.
You have to check out the repair manual,
yeah.
Just for wiper plates.
Yeah. Cause
okay, come inside. I'll teach you. Oh my god. Okay.
How do you unlock it, dude?
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna. Okay, here. Got a camera. Look away. I'm gonna put it back, and then you're gonna do one yourself.
Okay.
Really? Put this back. Okay.
Okay.
Open it. Try.
Open it.
Hit from the side. There we go. Okay. Now just leave it there, and then this. It's also from the side, but there's no button. You see this indentation right here? This lines right here? Yep.
Okay.
Now just pull it down. Pull this whole thing down. And then pull it back up. And then get it out.
So what now?
Just pop the switch back on, dude. Place the hook. Yep. Oh, yeah, you slide this up. There we go. Yep.
Huh.
That's it.
Huh.
That's it, dude. Alright, y'all. Let's show Steven what's up. Here's the driver's side. Shit, side skirt. Hardware. Passenger side skirt. More plastic. Alright. Put my hardware right there. And here is the new splitter. Alright. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Saggy ass motherfucker. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. I think the first thing we should do the splitter. It's a little bit easier. Just gonna remove the previous splitter. Then we'll go from there. Yeah. Got the car jacked up from both sides. Took off the old splitter. As you can see, there's no more side splitter coming out. Now we're just gonna test this and see how it fits. Let's go. So test fitted the splitter It looks pretty freaking sexy. This is like the tightest fit I've ever seen, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, so trying to think, should I bolt it from the bottom first and then drop it and then turn the wheel on either side and then bolt it on from the side right here?
Yep. You should bolt it from inside.
So bolt it from so right now drop the car, turn the wheel, bolt it here first, and then rise it back up to bolt the bottom.
Well, do you want to take the tape off first? Because it is doing that. But at the same time, if you did bolt it in, and if you have me holding it down, you could try to get it.
Okay, yeah, let's just drop the car down and bolt it from the side first.
Hot.
Yeah, alright. I love this splitter, dude. Pretty much done. Now I'm just gonna go back in and replace the makeshift screws with the car's special screw.
Yeah, that looks really good.
Dude, can you believe that this splitter only cost me like $110?
It's pretty good.
So, as you can see, the splitter is all in, all good, all sexy. Now we're just gonna take care of the side skirt. But first, we need to remove the last two of the mud flaps. It's gonna look sexy by the end of the day, dude.
Start from this side.
Why? Was she? Yeah, you're right. You're right. All right. So we're about to install the side skirt. Took off the front mud flap. I think I'm gonna jack the car from the back first. Put it on jack stand and then take off the winglet, and then we'll go from there.
You right?
Yeah. Car's jacked up, wheels are out. I'm gonna take off the winglet, then fit this first and see. Alright, let's do this. Well, since the winglet is out, you know what that means. Bam. Alright, well, I guess the splitter or the side skirt has this bracket, 4 brackets. That's gonna fit flush with the clips right here. So there's like 4 of these clips. Just gonna take it out on both sides. Man, fuck Honda and their clips, dude.
Fuck plastic and clips all together. It just doesn't go well together.
All the clips are out, both sides. Seriously, Honda and their clips.
And they sell it for $5 a pop when you break one of those little clips.
Yeah, probably, and that's the dealer markup, dude. Like 2% markup. I'll put this bad boy in and then clip it. So both side skirts are on right now. What we need to do is put the wheels back on, lower the car, and then do the front, and then we should be good to go. Pretty much how we put this on is that, like I said, there's clips on the bottom that matches the side skirt. So we remove the clip, put the side skirt, push the clip back on, and then there's a drill hole already on the side skirt, this portion right here. So we put 1 screw up and then 2 more screw right here and right here. That's the same for the other side. Now we're gonna use the OEM screw to screw the side skirt back on. Yeah, should be easy. Steven, good job, bro. Good shit, looking good, bro.
Me?
Yeah, and the car too.
Oh, nice car, dude.
Yeah. Side skirt is secured. Like I said earlier, splitter is also secured and done. I guess do the honors, hold this, and then I'll back it out and then you can get it in its glory. Dang, dude. Let's check out the car. Good shit, bro. Most satisfying install ever, besides your wiper plates.
Oh yeah, that was so funny.
I guess I'm gonna go home now and edit the video and upload it. Overall, this is one of the most satisfying install of this car's life so far. So tomorrow, me and Steven are gonna head to Cars and Coffee. Bye, Steven. So we may or may not vlog Cars and Coffee again. But besides that, I'll just catch you on the next vlog.